I'll admit it. With this COVID stuff that's been going on and people acting all weird, I've been staying in. I've been not going out. I've been not wanting to hear, put on your mask. Oh, do you have your vaccine? No, I don't want to hear none of that. All I want to hear is the sound of this water going down the river. I want to hear the breeze going through the trees. It's about all I'm into right now. Making music, writing rap lyrics, trying to help my friend out, having fun. And yeah. All I want to hear is the sound of this water flowing down these rocks. That's pretty cool, man. Headwaters for the steelhead and salmon. Man. It's good to be out enjoying this. Taking the memories and keeping them forever. I feel very blessed.